Okay, so you've heard the buzz, and now you're eager to start your very own AI automation agency. Well, you're in the right place, because in this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know to get started on this brand new business opportunity. AI automation is an untapped niche, and much remains undiscovered. But being an early adopter has its advantages and challenges. On the positive side, you'll enter a wide open market with no competition. So right now there is a brand new market to exploit. However, it's very difficult to actually learn about this because there's very little resources about how to go about starting your own AI automation agency. And let me give you a little caveat. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. This is not enter a single prompt into ChatGPT and make yourself $20 billion in 3 seconds. This requires hard work, it requires application, creativity, and you need to build out a sustainable business model. I'm Samson Voles, and this is Delightful Design. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe. Now, you might be wondering, what services can I offer as an AI automation agency? Well, AI automation can take various forms. For instance, you can automate email responses, lead generation, and follow-ups. So if somebody is typing in a little email to your website, asking about your services, you can automatically reply and start to take them through the process of turning them from a lead into a customer. But the potential for AI automations is absolutely limitless. Let's move on to another valuable service you can offer as an AI automation agency: AI conversational chatbots. These chatbots can serve multiple purposes. So instead of automating email marketing, you can actually automate a chatbot service. This can be a customer support chatbot trained on all the information available on a website or a FAQ page. And you can provide this service of training and creating a chatbot for different services and industries. Customers can simply ask the chatbot their question about inventory, about policies, returns, or any other usual questions, and they will receive an instant response. Now, this isn't anything new. We've been using chatbots for a long time to automate customer responses, but right now it's easier than ever to get one that actually works well. Now, another variation on the chatbot application is actually creating chatbots for internal team use. So you're using AI to create a chatbot that members of the team can ask questions about documents and trainings, or even ask it for support in different projects. Now, this is very important if you're onboarding someone and you have a whole host of SOPs, of wikis that they need to learn about. And instead of having to delve through and find the right answer to the right question, they can simply ask the chatbot to summarize different points or point them to exactly the examples that are inside of the wiki documents. And this is one of the key roles in AI automation, because there's generally 2 things that AI can do very well right now. And the first is predict the next token or syllable in a sentence. So if you're speaking, it will imagine what's going to happen next. The second is actually categorizing and summarizing information. So it takes a whole host of information and it boils it down to the most salient parts. And essentially, everything that you're going to be doing with AI is going to be related to these 2 tasks, how you could apply those to different business processes. And the creativity here is understanding how these 2 tasks, which can now be automated, can be applied into different business situations. Brilliant has thousands of lessons, from foundational and advanced maths to AI, data science, and neural networks, and more. With new lessons being added every month, Brilliant.org is a great place to learn about some of the most important concepts in the world. And if you're looking to learn by doing, then Brilliant is a particularly useful place to go to take interactive lessons and take your understanding of technology and science to a new level. I believe that understanding how AI works is one of the most important investments you can make in yourself in the world today. And I particularly enjoy the courses available from Brilliant, which break down some complex concepts to do with AI and neural networks into easy, usable information. To try everything Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/Samson Voles. Remember to check out Brilliant in the description below, and the first 200 people to click on the link and subscribe for an annual plan will get a 20% discount. Brilliant is brilliant! It's a wonderful thing to do to put information into your head. Now, another approach for AI automation is you can analyze a company's entire operations and recommend specific AI tools that can optimize and streamline their processes. Essentially, you want to develop an encyclopedic knowledge of the different AI tools available for automating different systems and processes in a business. For example, if you're working with an accounting firm, you could suggest using fireflies.ai to record client meetings, make note-taking and information retrieval effortless. Then recommend another tool for step-by-step tax guides. You could suggest Chat PDF for gathering specific customer information through conversational documents, and even ChatGPT for generating client emails. So a lot of this might seem obvious to those of us who have been using ChatGPT since it came out last year. But many of the industries that exist are still antiquated, and they're taking time to adapt to this new technology. And what they really need to do is understand how to use it effectively. Your expertise and guidance in introducing them to these tools, implementing them, and training their workers will significantly enhance their productivity and business operations. As the AI space is still relatively new, there's a tremendous opportunity for you to establish yourself as a thought leader and be seen as an expert in the field. By understanding the potential use cases for all of these AI tools, you can provide an extremely valuable service for many different small and medium-sized enterprises. So you might be thinking, how can I find clients when running an AI automation agency? And this is an essential question. And the first thing you might want to do is frame yourself as an AI consultant. So you can hop on free consulting calls with potential clients. Offer them a small call of about 20 minutes. And during this, you can gain a deep understanding of their business and the challenges they face. You can then take this information to tailor a perfect offering for similar businesses, as well as offering to do some of this for free for the first time, because what you want to gather are testimonials. And when you're just starting out, testimonials are more important than getting paid, because if you get a written and a video testimonial, this is your key to effective marketing going forwards. I certainly recommend that you're looking at how to niche down this approach, because it's your responsibility to perfect the perfect combination of AI services for specific points of pain for different industries or different processes. So the other approach is, once you have got some testimonials, some experience, and created a valid proposal, you can look at approaching existing agencies in various fields, such as marketing, design, or even existing AI automation agencies, because you can offer your services to their clients. So if you go to a design agency and specifically say, look, I have developed a specific AI automation process for design agencies, this will help you speed up your project workflow and save you time and money, as well as creating better work, then they're going to be very interested in talking to you. You can also start to create content around how you would automate different services and industries, providing free tools, guides, and suggestions for very specific areas. Doing this on social media will help you reach your right audience who are already trying to do it for themselves for free. Now, once they're trying to do it for free, they're probably going to run into some issues, or eventually they will want to invest in an expert like yourself. From there, you can start to serve your audience and create either a full white glove service where you take them from start to finish, or you can actually start selling info products related to this. So this could be templates, guides, or courses on how to automate different industries. So I certainly recommend creating long form content that is easy to find, and YouTube is a perfect platform for doing just that. By showcasing your knowledge and providing valuable content, you position yourself as the go-to expert. Include your contact information and make it clear in the video description that you are offering an upsell to this free piece of content. Now, remember here, it's really not about the quantity of views you get for this exact example, but this is the type of niche business that you can make successful if you're just getting around 5,000 views for your videos. Because within that, all you need to do is translate less than 0.2% of this audience into a high ticket paying offer, and you've got a very sustainable business. Another way to find clients is to use a method called commenting. So you can choose a social media platform where your potential clients are active and optimize your profile to highlight your expertise in AI automation. In your bio, include a link to your agency's landing page where potential clients can book a free consultation call. Now, start engaging with potential clients by leaving genuine feedback on their posts. You're looking at what they're sharing, what they're interested in, especially if they're looking to implement AI in some way into their businesses. Now, don't directly sell your services saying, hey, you might be interested in my AI automation service, it's only 10K per month. No, that's not the way to go. What you want to do is some guerrilla marketing. marketing. You want to give them actual useful pieces of information on what they're already doing. You're saying, have you thought of trying this? For example, if they're posting that they're starting to automate their emails with ChatGPT, you can suggest that they can look at a platform like make.com, where they can integrate immediate actions by connecting different AI APIs together. And by leaving this positive impression, they are likely to visit your profile, discover your AI-focused expertise, and think, my God, what luck. Incredible that this genuinely nice chap has taken the time to give me a little bit of useful insight whilst I'm trying to modernize my antiquated law firm. And that is when they're going to reach out to you directly. It's a simple yet effective way to attract clients who are actively considering implementing AI into their business. And it's one that I recommend that you try. Now, these three methods have proven to be highly successful in acquiring clients for a number of other industries, and it's a great start. But remember, many business owners are eager to integrate AI into their operations, but lack the knowledge of where to start. By positioning yourself as an expert and catching potential clients at the right moment, you become their go-to solution provider. What you're looking to do is build trust and build a relationship with some long-standing clients. But let's dive in a little bit into the next step, which is once somebody reaches out to you, how do you price your services? So you've managed to land a client, but now you're in the negotiation stage. Can you agree on a price? Well, pricing is not a straightforward task, as it varies depending on the complexity of the services you offer and the nature of the business you're serving. For example, if you're working with real estate agents, you can likely charge a higher fee. This is due to the substantial value of their deals. On the other hand, if you're working with a small local business, the pricing will typically be lower. It is important to understand that you should charge based on the specific value you provide to each business rather than the time it takes you to fulfill the service. So you need to orientate your offer depending on who you're targeting. It's often a wise piece of advice to target wealthy clients, that if they have more money, that they're a high ticket offering themselves, they will have more room to employ you as an AI consultant. So let's consider an example. Imagine a company with 5 customer support staff, each earning around $2,000 per month. If you create an AI chatbot that handles all the basic customer support tickets, the company may only need 3 people to manage customer inquiries. So they've gone from 10K a month to 6K a month, saving them 4K a month on the salaries of their customer support agents. So let's say that we multiply that for 12 months and we get $48,000 savings per year. In this scenario, it would be reasonable to charge a $5,000 setup fee and a maintenance fee of $500 to $1,000 per month, which would include continued training for the bot, as well as support for the existing employees using the bot. However, keep in mind that pricing is experimental, and you should very much try to price your services at the higher end of what you think is reasonable, and then come to an agreement that's a little bit lower than that. So go in high, be firm, and then make sure that you're not going below your lowest expectation. Another useful piece of advice is always try to get a higher price for every new client. Every time you get a new client, increase your rates slightly. This will make sure that you've got a benchmark, that you've validated that people are willing to pay for this service and get this amount of value out. And then you can slowly start to increase the quality of the service or the size of the clients that you're working with. This approach allows you to gain experience, build your portfolio, and establish trust with future clients. And as you deliver excellent results, those early clients will start referring their friends, which is how you get your agency to grow. You can also offer referral fees so that any client who is referred to you, you can offer a commission bonus of around 10%. Now you've got an idea of what an AI automation agency is, you might be thinking about what specific types of industries could I target with my AI automation agency? Well, watch this video next as we break down some of the industries that are ripe for disruption with AI automation. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe so that we can learn more about AI and business together? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.